What's up, everyone? Today we're going to learn how to find daily bias, my process exactly. Okay, so very simple. It's gonna be a very short video for you guys because the thing is, a lot of you traders wake up and you ask, where is the market going? Okay, and if you don't know where the market is going, I'm gonna be honest with you, you are trading blind. And I'm not saying you know, with the way I do it, you don't know where the market is going to go 100% of the times. But more often than not, that's where it will go. And trading is all a game of probability. Okay, so you want to put all the probabilities on your side. So it's not gambling. It's just repetition will make success. Okay, so most traders are going to wake up and ask, is this shit going up? Is this shit going to go down? Where is it going to go? This looks like it's bearish. Take a short and get stopped out. Okay. Now, what you want yourself to be asking first is, what is the higher time frame trend? The higher time frame trend right now, if you look at this chart here, this is more zoomed in. This chart here is bullish, right? We were bearish here, right? Oh, lower high or lower low or higher low. Shit, my bad. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We're bullish, okay? Now, that being established, you have your bullish trend, okay? You want to find your drawn liquidity. This you'll find more zoomed in. So when you come into the day, and this is what you see, okay? It's 9:30 because I start trading at 9:30. So you come in at this time right here. This is what you see. All right? Your sell side's taken, your buy side's taken. This candle here, mark out the high, right? Every high should be marked out before your technically it should be like this, okay? So where do you think market wants to go, right? We are bullish, right? We're in a bullish trend. So technically, market should go to buy side, right? Okay. Now, that being said, our drawn liquidity has been found. It's this high right here, okay? We want to wait for a liquidity sweep. Now, the drawn liquidity is where market wants to go. It's your target for the day. If market from here does this, I'm sorry to tell you, you're done. That's what I do. I step off the charts if this was to happen. Why? Because then probabilities are not on my side. I don't know what's going on. If market does this, then I know what's going on, right? Because that's what I expected to happen. Now, what you want to see is a liquidity sweep. So we're going to wait. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. I have not reviewed this. I'm going to be completely honest. And there you go. Perfect. Perfection. Okay. Now, you want to go on the lower time frame and wait for a confirmation. Okay. So we go again. This is chopping. Oh, does this close like this? It does. Perfect. Usually I go lower and look for something else, but for the sake of this video, because it's probably still at 1 to 2, right? 1 to 1.5, whatever. Usually I'd probably enter like somewhere around here. Just so you guys can see the daily bias, how powerful it is, okay? There we go. We have our pullback. That's where we would have been tapped in. If you go to the 1 minute, I'll tell you exactly where my entry would have been. Exactly where it should be, okay? Draw my Fibonacci on the last tool right here on OTE. This is what I always do. You can ask my whole community. This is where I would have entered. One contract right here. Here, I'll enter a few so you actually see some stuff. All right. Once you've entered the trade, back out 5-15 minute. You don't want to be emotional looking at this fucking chop fest, okay? Your stop is in place. It's at this low. All right. Stop is here. TP's at the high. This is a 1 to 3. Okay. So we've had our trend, we've had our drawn liquidity, we had our liquidity sweep, we had our pullback into OT on the leg, okay? We'll let it play. What time is it at this point? It's 10:30. Well, would you look? Oh, this is kind of stopping. And there it is. And there you go. It's really that simple, guys. All you have to do is be patient. And this is how you find your daily bias. I could go back and do it on every single day, but I'm going to let you guys do that because I don't want this video to be way too long. You guys don't click on it. Okay? So I'm going to just copy this here because I wrote it down prematurely. And there you go. How do you find daily bias? High time frame trend. draw on liquidity, liquidity sweep plus any confirmation is good, okay, of bullishness. This was a engulfing candle, and you align with the 4 hour during 9:30 to 11 sessions. So where if you go on the 4 hour, where does your 4 hour candle want to go? Does it want to go higher? Most likely, right? We're in a bullish trend. Sweeps all this inducement here, bang, explodes higher. And it is that simple, guys. Literally that simple. Okay. Now, that is how I build consistency, is by understanding what the market wants to do and not what I want it to do, right? If this helped at all, guys, drop a like, drop a sub. I have the Smartman Academy 100% for free on my channel. I have a free trading journal and a free trading ebook, complete with everything you need to know in my Discord, which is also free. Everything I do for you guys is free, so I would appreciate any kind of support you guys can give, whether it's commenting, following me on Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube, whatever. And other than that, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and peace. Love you guys.